Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Firemite ability in the Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, before I show you guys what this pet can do, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this pet. Basically, if you want to get the Firemite, you can join the season pass. You can increase your level until level 2. Once you reach level 2, you will be able to claim this Firemite pet. And if you want to level up your pass, you just need to harvest your fruits or your plants, and it will increase your point. Okay, as you can see here. And then just go to this pass menu to claim this Firemite. And I'm going to place it in my garden. Okay, then let's see the ability of this pet. Okay, every 10 minutes, stings a random path and advances its ability cooldown by 41.11 seconds. Oh, yeah, I think it's not really OP, but yeah, for now, I just want to keep it in my garden. And okay guys, that's all about the Firemite pet in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!